Hello guys, Craig from fixitfallows. Back in the garage, but only temporarily, because today we're doing something a little bit different. Normally you see me doing stuff like working on bikes, road bikes, mountain bikes, fiddling around with some power tools, maybe doing some DIY stuff inside of the house. Well, landscaping, that's what we're doing today. We are going to finish off the driveway. I started it in the lockdown of 2020. The front garden was, what was it, when we moved in 15 years ago, we had a crazy paved driveway. Over the years I've tinkered around with it a bit. The driveway, the crazy paved, I put charcoal black border around it. I put some railings in and bobs, but you know, things change, we need a bit more parking space. So I've already done 2/3 of it. There's just a bit in front of the garage to do. Let me show you, come with me. So out we go. There you go, you can see the old crazy paving. All that's got to come up. It's going to go in that skip there. There you can see the driveway that I did, or the new paving I've done during the lockdown, and tightened up the porch, put these new tiles down. Anyway, it's currently, what is it, 2:30. Dinner's at 6 o'clock. I'll have it finished by then. Right then, here we go. All this to do by hand by lunchtime. Nah, I don't think so either. This is more like it. Okay, so it is 20 to 6 and I have managed to take up all the crazy paving, all taken up. All in the skip. Now I've just got to dig it out, get me levels and add a concrete base. By lunchtime tomorrow. Okay, did I say I'd get this done by 12 o'clock? Like the digging out? It ain't gonna happen. See, I've done this much. That's kind of dug out now to the depth it needs, but it creates, well, that's half the pile of mud that's come out of just that section alone. Then I have to barrow it and put it into the skip. So yeah, a few days I think. Okay, so phase 1 of the driveway had a natural fall over towards a flower bed that acted as a soakaway for the rainwater. This part of the driveway, however, needs a drainage channel at the front. Here you can see I've hung it off of wooden frame to set it at the height and position I need it in order for it to marry up to the black border bricks and all the existing block work. And I've dug a a soakaway here, as you can see, the 110mm pipes discharging into. So let me give you an update on where I'm at with the driveway. Progress had been halted a little bit because of some, let's say, inclement weather. Very rainy, very windy, but today's brightened up nicely, so let me show you. So here you can see the drainage channel is now all fully set in place. I think the last time you might have seen that, it was suspended off of a wooden frame. That was setting the drain at the height and position I wanted it. I've now put in a concrete bed underneath it, so that's all set in place. You also saw that I dug a sump hole, which is about here. That's all done and underneath there now. Unfortunately, I couldn't get sufficient drop from that drainage channel to this drain here. Couldn't get the fall on it, so had to go for a sump hole. That's all done under there. You can also see now that all the rebar is in all the way around here. I'm keeping this existing bit of concrete. I mean, it's so thick, it's been there for about 80 years, it isn't going to go anywhere. So concrete around it, that'll lock it into position. The drain there, I've had to rebuild below ground level with engineering bricks, so that's all good to go. I can now concrete around that, get the cover set at the right height. The skip is pretty much all full up. I've used one full bulk bag of ballast to do that bit of concrete in. I've got 2 more there waiting to go to fill this in. Once that concrete bed is all done, I can then lay the blockwork like I did there on top of this nice flat concrete bed. Job done. I'll give you some more progress as and when it happens. Okay, so that's it for the first instalment of my driveway renovation video. I shall be releasing more updates in further videos, and if you want to be notified of when those videos get released, please press subscribe, and also check out some of the other videos that I have available on my channel. So in the next instalment, you'll be seeing this good old cement mixer here getting put to good use. She's got to be 30+ years old, but she still does a terrific job. We'll get that concrete mixed, get that bed down, and start laying some block work. So as I said, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thanks guys.